Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create and use web forms in Docusign. Web forms help us collect information and signatures online without sending documents one by one. Now let's get started on the Docusign dashboard. Go to the Templates section. Templates are in the upper left part of the page. Click on it. We will create a template. We will use this contract template for signing. Upload the contract form here. When the upload is finished, enter the information. For example, we can use owner as a sample recipient. Add more recipients if needed. When the fields are ready, click Next to add fields. After this, scroll to the bottom. Here, we will enter the name. Type the full name here. Since we are the employer, add the date and sign. We need to sign as well. At the top, check if anything else is needed. You can add the date, but it must be updated manually. Here is the address. Enter the employee address. Remove any extra fields. Make sure all important fields are included. When finished, save and close. The contract template is now ready to use. When a new employee joins, just send this form for them to sign. With this feature, we can streamline data collection and automate the document workflow.